kids. I am Chinu. Oh, well, I have 3 kids. And this my nest house.
Today, I need to build a nice nest for my babies.
Oh, I am Kealu. I also live near.
Hey, Chinu, you are so small. How will you do all this work? I am powerful. Everyone is afraid of me.
Oh no, what will I do now?
Chinu, please forgive me. Come, let me help you.
See, Kalu, when we work together, everything becomes easy. Today I learned that real strength is helping others.
Thank you, Kalu!
Thank you too, Chinu. You taught me a good lesson.
Kalu the crow felt very happy. For the first time, he understood that being kind was better than being proud.
मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग था, लेकिन पहले मुझे मेहरबानी का मतलब नहीं पता था. अब मुझे अच्छा